Hello, my name is Carla. I am 23 years old and I'm from Uitenhage. I've come to Perfect Shade today because I absolutely love Shiloh's beauty brand. I've previously only used the Miss Rose and now I'm going to be trying Shiloh Beauty for the first time and I'm very excited. I definitely want to minimize my freckles but still have a very natural look for every day, and yes, so stay tuned. At the end you will see the results. I'm very excited.
Hi love, so this is Carla. I'm just going to clean her face and apply a little bit of primer over her pigmented areas, and she's also got a spot of eczema on her neck which I want to hydrate and also hopefully will help her with the inflammatory aspect of it as well as the itching side of it. I'm also going to go right down to her neckline with applying our foundation, our Shiloh Beauty foundation and powder, and just giving her perfect coverage because she doesn't really like her freckles, so we are going to help her find her perfect shade. Okay, so that's just cleansing, and now I'm applying the primer, the Photoshop primer, which is also going to blur out her freckles so that she uses less makeup. And not only that, our Photoshop primer is also good for skin conditions, for it's an SPF 50 and also for lines and wrinkles and anti-aging. So just applied a little bit there, but I'm going to apply a little bit more on the spot here where she's got the eczema. So I've just sprayed my brush and I'm going to apply a little bit of corrector, which is Latte, just randomly over her pigmentation, not too much so that it actually changes the color of the foundation, of her natural color, which is this here. Okay, now I'm applying fair foundation all over, just to even out her skin tone and to give her the flawless coverage that she wants. Okay, so because I've used quite a bit of primer on her skin, I do have to spray my brush in between because the application does tend to get a little bit difficult in terms of blending. So please remember to spray your brush and not immerse it in water to make sure that it goes everywhere and it blends beautifully. So it's this drop per area, that much, right? Wow. So that much covers your entire chest.
That's one thing you've taught me as well, is to go lower.
Go low.
And yeah, it definitely works.
Okay, this is our number 7 powder. Dab, dab, dab. Less is more, so use a small powder brush.
Okay.
So that you don't get product everywhere. Now I'm speaking in the film. You can just keep still. I'm speaking to the clients on the video.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so just dab dab with the powder brush, the small powder brush. If you want a dewy finish, which is the finish that I'm going for Carla. Is it Carla or how do you pronounce it?
Yeah, Carla or Carla.
Oh, Carla. Okay,
yes.
so let me just say Carla.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going for a dewy finish for Carla. So not overly powdered with the powder puff, just brushing on powder everywhere, including her chest area and her face. I'm just going to seal with the puff underneath her eyes, and then the rest of it is going to be done with the Shiloh Beauty palette for highlighting and contouring. We're doing a very natural, bronzy, contoured, dewy look. Okay, so we've got our powder on with our powder brush. I'm going to is powder underneath your eyes. Look up for me. So just start sealing from the cheekbones. And next I'm going to do her brows in number 5 in the brow tattoo, because she's a redhead, so just going to use brow tattoo number 5. So as for me, she's got quite a bit of asymmetry if you look here. Not sure who's doing her brows, but it is completely off.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to correct that. First, I'm just brushing it away with our brow brush. So basically correcting her brows because her right side is quite bushy and her left side is being taken out too much. So we're trying to find a balance by shaping it to make them look symmetrical. And after this, I'm going to contour and highlight her nose and her cheeks very gently. A very soft contouring look. So I'm not going to spray my brush like I normally do. Soft contouring, nothing hard, just on the jawline. Look up for me. So my beautiful loves, this is what Carla looks for her after look. I had to eventually recurl her hair and redo her entire hair because of the rain. But if you would like to know more about what I've used for her look today to help her with her freckles, then please WhatsApp us on 079-2724-713. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to see more of these amazing tutorials. Until the next time, bye.
So excited. Okay. Oh my soul! That's stunning! Like, look how tan and alive I look, eh? Wow. Wow. No, it's lovely because I hate looking like dull, and this is just beautiful. And look at my eyebrows. Oh my word. No, it's stunning. I love it.
Can you see what needs to be done there?
I can, definitely. Like, now that it actually looks symmetrical. No, it's crazy. And like, my eyes are so natural, but the makeup itself, like, just...
You got lovely eyes. I didn't want
Thank
to
you, thank you. No, I love it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Thank you. No, I love it. I just want to fix my nose ring.
Sorry.
No, it's fine. No, it's stunning. Oh, no. And my hair looks amazing. I'm so happy. Like, this whole day, this experience has just been lovely. Thank you so much.
Sorry.
Hello there, I'm back and this is my final look. I couldn't be more happy. I was like stunned when I saw myself in the mirror. From previously using Miss Rose, Shiloh Beauty is completely different. And I'm just so thrilled. For the first time, it actually looks like I have a bit of a tan and my face is like lively. Miss Rose gave me that, but I just feel like the Shiloh Beauty, I don't know, and my face is glowing. And like Shiloh did my eyes so natural, like she just put mascara on and like my eyebrows obviously, but it just feels like my whole face just pops. So I'm completely happy. It's been such an amazing experience. From walking in here, we had a bit of ups and downs because of the weather, so my hair fell flat, but Shiloh did it beautifully. And my whole experience has been amazing. I love the feel of the product, and my little bit of eczema, you literally cannot see it, and it's so soothed. Like for the first time, it's not even itching. So I'm so thrilled, and I'm definitely going to purchase. I'm so happy. Thank you, Shiloh. Definitely try Shiloh Beauty, but I would obviously say come in, let Shiloh, if you can, let her do the test, because her matching is just perfect. I've never seen someone who can match your complexion to a foundation like Shiloh can, so that's so important. But otherwise, definitely recommend to everyone. And yeah, just the lasting finish, it's just amazing.